Adding a down arrow in Microsoft Word is one of those tasks that feels like it should be a single button, but it is actually hidden in a few different places depending on how you want it to look. The quickest way to insert the down arrow, you need to type 2193 and press the Alt X all together. It will instantly turn that code into a down arrow. If you have a keyboard with a numeric keypad, then you can use a shortcut, hold the Alt key and press 25 on the number pad, then release the Alt key. Moreover, if you want a bold or curved arrow, you have to go to the insert and click on the shapes, and now go to the block arrows and pick this down arrow and drag it. So you can resize it by dragging this from white point. So drag the orange point to make it thin, the arrow point like this one. You can increase the down arrow like this one. Increase or decrease the width of the arrow. You can change the color of the arrow. For this you need to click on the shape and click on the shape fill and select the color of your choice. And you can also give some outline if you want to. You can select the outline colors and you can increase the weight as per your need, and also you can use the dash type of the lines. So this way you can easily add down arrow in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.